Very nice staffs and helpful with all the process. Pottery was fun and waited for the results and contacted once done. Instructors were patient and helpful. They would intervene if you mess up your work or if you lack talent, haha. Pretty fun experience, but even 2 hours was not enough if you are a beginner. Had to top up for firing and glazing your own piece. Honestly expected this to be included in the package, as I believe everyone would want to bring home their final products. Lucky that our final products turned out really nice and didn't crack. Both Essie and Jaden were super helpful. They gave us time to explore and stepped in whenever we requested for help. Super professional and friendly. I purchased it on Klook for 2 packs and the workshop had about 2 instructors for 6 to 8 people. Overall good experience, would highly recommend this workshop. It was a really fun workshop to do, especially for couples. I had an enjoyable time with my partner. Definitely will recommend. We got to make 2 pieces per person. Instructor guided our class of 6 and stepped in to help whenever we tripped up. It was a smooth and easy process getting the voucher on Klook and booking a slot. The class was just me, my friend, and the instructor, and we could make 2 items. Great beginner experience. There were a few hiccups at first because of scheduling cash, but the Pottery place/manager did well with service recovery. Our instructor was very gentle and patient and helped us when we failed, which was a lot. Lamau. Enjoyed it a lot and the end product was beautiful too. Recommended. Made it on May 8th and it was ready on 27/8. Really fast, although my partner's one isn't ready yet. Really love the handmade elements of it and how the color turned out too. The instructor was patient and helped us a lot. My favorite pottery studio thus far. Absolutely a fun experience. The instructor is so friendly and patient. Special shout out to Essie, our instructor, who gave us clear directions and also looking out for people who needed help. Really impressed with the choice of free glaze colors too, because they are actually really pretty. Can't wait to receive our final glazed and fired pieces. Booking and service experience via WhatsApp is really smooth and easy too. They respond quickly and so friendly. Location is perfectly convenient, with comfortable aircon and ambience. What's more to ask? We'll definitely be back. Very fun. Staff were super friendly and helpful, helped out when needed. Had a bit of trouble with finding my piece when I went to collect it, but they offered a free delivery to my house as an apology. Def recommend. This was a great experience. Highly recommend. Suggest participants to reach earlier to register and keep their bags in the lockers. Not all lockers work properly. Also, best to go in with an idea of what item you would like to create and let the instructor know so they can guide you on your specific piece. It was a pleasant first experience my boyfriend and I had with MI Addicted Pottery Studio. We thoroughly enjoyed the view, the hands-on experience of wheel throwing clay, the clear and helpful explanations provided by our facilitators. It was fun and we're given more than enough time to complete our clay making. Highly recommend to anyone interested to try. It was a pleasant first experience my boyfriend and I had with MI Addicted Pottery Studio. We thoroughly enjoyed the view, the hands-on experience of wheel throwing clay, the clear and helpful explanations provided by our facilitators. It was fun and we're given more than enough time to complete our clay making. Highly recommend to anyone interested to try. Fun activity and learn something new. It was an activity I always wanted to try and I guarantee it won't be my last. The instructor was also very friendly. Our instructor Genesis was very clear with his instructions, patient and helpful. Highly recommended. Studio was bright, clean and organized. Overall great experience. Charmaine was really helpful in assisting my mom and I on this activity. Enjoyed learning about pottery and the way clay molds with various hand techniques. Had a good experience here. The instructors were really patient with us and friendly too. One of our pottery didn't turn out well and they offered to give us another piece made by them.